Habakan tho halor ka Jylla Shah sho laingot kinong balagi badai ki jat ben reu bar Jylla ha Mawlai Mawroh hakaba weu la yap no akano phaisngi jogish photre uyayong arja arpusau uba AL hek UMLA ka BJP na penthorum khra ubadai ru menteri ka Sorkar MDA tu dakaba penrami kene ka Jylla ulaong bon krani kene ka benta bat ka Sorkar India namar ka jingbon palat kum kene ki Jylla ha ka Jylla Ulaong bakini ki kampen trem ki bam ya ha ka long breu man breu ki Jylla nadu ki por ba menswa bat ka wanra ka Jingla ranya ka Jylla Dakaba pentip baula kran siki bahiyeng jong balayap no uba AL hek ulaong bon Phah Jingthoh sya ka Sorkar India kentup syo menteri bari khmi ya ka tanat kampo yeng u Amit Shah Kumban sukro bau teu bar Jylla ubla tip kerteng kum Arjun Rai sanpu ars nam karta ula mensau jur na kete jing syak takti bat kham hadien ula yap no hanigrims Nakaliang ki pulat kila register mukadama ya kani Jylla bat kidang thwet ya ki badon kti
I got the news just about half an hour back and I have contacted the family member. I told them now they're still in the Negrim hospital for maybe waiting for the post-mortem or other formalities to be done by the health department, by the Negrim hospital. So this kind of the inhuman act, it cannot be tolerated. I cannot be tolerated also, and it should not be anybody who are involved in this kind of the inhuman criminal activities, they should be punished. What is tell me, he is a laborer working in somebody's houses, making building or somebody's people's house. They are building, they are hard working people earning their wages. How to kill this kind of innocent people? And we as a government, our police, they should take very stern action against these people who are taking the law in their hand. Many years back, this is inhuman has become too much in the state. It's become a shame for the people of Meghalaya. I'm telling you, it's become a shame. Yeah? Everybody, what happened going to Meghalaya, would get killed. Like we are a barbarian here. We are not human being. Because of 1-2 people who are all inhuman act, the blame goes to the entire states of the people of our states. So Chief Minister, I will meet him, I'll tell him. The Home Minister, I'll meet him, I'll tell him. But I will write to the center, to the Honorable Union Home Minister. Why this kind of things happening in the EU? We have to do something from the central government. At least we should not allow this kind of inhuman act is happening in the state of Meghalaya. So this is kind of incident, it is not happening only in Meghalaya or India, it is happening everywhere in the world. Until unless you arrest a person, maybe has to be proven first. In what reasons they have become the victims. Now we cannot say because of races, or cannot say because of business, or not say because of any other thing which has not been proven. Once it is proven, then we can tell. They has to take action immediately. Otherwise, we should not allow this kind of inhuman act been taking place time and again in the state of Meghalaya.
So are you condemning this?
I condemn this incident took place today, not just because it has happened today. Last time also I have condemned for Ishamati killing. Now also any inhuman act, I am always condemning the inhuman act. If somebody just got beaten up like that, and we have to take the immediate actions against anybody who is involved in this kind of criminal activities.
Kon ba iet ngiju shat jing ba man la kasngi hatu ngila ju perkhat ba kabam kabang ni bam ka tain em ya kamet jungi
mai ngiju ba mi kini kiju ki jing ba man la kasngi bale kane ka jing kali minta
ka to ka dukan ration ba penyai uba raju uya tho yanga
Ray man kapor yem ju yo ai ka jing bam ki batai kamet ki balong ka daw jong ka jing pang anemia pat ka jing brie jong ki kma
ba kumnu ngan lai na kini ki jing stam
Kong Nangkong pide ban penmelin ban bam ya ki jingbam ki ba Phah hakrukam bam jongpi bunsen ki longkmi bat ki khulung khana ki yo ya kini ki jingpang namar kim yo ya ki jingbam bantei ya kamen ka Sorkar kelas dang ya ka food fortification ha ukhaw ata mlu kadut bat ka umpnyang bam baro kindon ki jingbam ka bantei kum ka iron folic acid vitamin B12 iodine zinc vitamin A bat vitamin D yakini baro kila banyo na ki jingbam badi ha ki dukan ration
kata kamut ngi dan yu khau 45 pabyang pha bat ngi
Mai, uniu kau tu bai biang ba. Pitharai baro kin bang ban ba mi uni.
kon ka fortification jong khau kanum khata ya ka jingmat ba ka jinglong jingman jong khau
Mai, karukam ban bu ya ki ba karukam shet pat kala ban pher.
om dai kon om dan ji pher la da de ha ka rukom bu ne rukom shet kum ba fi ju shet yu khau ba fi thien kum ju ru la shet ya uni u khau
Okum ta.
te kon ka jingbam ba ai ka kot ka khya bat ka ba ai bor ya ka met ka phat bat ka bor per khat jungi ha to dang dan ki jingbam ba kham bha ban ya uni
Hoit mai, fikran ya ka badai sisha.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko Office Jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya